is Sanusri. I am from grade 3. Today I am introducing about Harish Chandra. He was born on October 11, 1923 in Kanpur. He was Indian-American mathematician and physicist. He is known for his fundamental work about his semi-simple life rules and theory. Thank you. Good morning everyone, myself Ashanvi. I am studying in Target in Sri Chaitanya School. Today I am explaining about Sierra. He was born September 10th, 1920 in Mysore. He American citizen. He invented statistics, multivariate analysis and biometry. Thank you.
Grade 3. Today I am introducing about Manjula Bhargava. He is Canadian American mathematician of Indian origin. He explained about magic tricks with games. He is also a tabla player. He is best known as work of number theory. Thank you. Good morning to one and all. Myself and I am studying grade 3. Today I am introducing about Raman Parimala. She is an Indian mathematician. She discovered about contribution to algebra. She requires MSc from Madras University. She is arts and science professor. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Yajusha. I am from 4th grade. Today I am telling about Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan was a great Indian mathematician. He was born on 22nd December in Karod, India. His birthday we are celebrating as a National Mathematics Day. He invented infinite series. He invented square roots. Thank you.
Good morning, myself Pranav. I am studying in 5th grade. Today I am going to tell about Bhaskaracharya. Bhaskaracharya is a famous Indian mathematician. Bhaskaracharya is also known as Bhaskara too. He invented trigonometry. In his work, Bhaskaracharya introduced about the concept of infinity. He also worked on geometry, providing formulas for calculating areas and volumes. He gave detailed rules for working with zero and making numbers. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Niharika. I am from grade 4. Today I am telling about Satyendra Nath Bose. He was great Indian mathematician and physician. He invented statistics. He invented mechanics. He got prize in Padma Bhushan in 1954. Thank you. Good morning everyone, my name is Rohit. I am studying in 7th grade. Today I am going to say about Archimedes. Archimedes is known as the father of the mathematics. He invented many formulas for rhombus and triangle. He mainly invented area and length of rhombus. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Banit. I am from 6th grade. Today I am going to tell about Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was the first Indian mathematician in India. He is remembered that one of the most brilliant minds of the human history. The value of pi is invented by Aryabhatta. Thank you.
Good morning one and all, myself Manoj from grade 7. Today I am going to say about Carl Baker. He is one of the famous mathematicians. His full name was Dr. Ramachandra Carl Baker. His work on recurring decimals, magical squares and integers. Thank you. Good morning everyone, myself Harika. I am from 6th grade. Today I am telling about Brahmagupta. Brahmagupta was a famous ancient Indian mathematics astronomer. He lived 7th century CE. He born in 598 AD. He made significant constituent number system. Thank you.
C.V. Raman.
Wait. You should come. What I gave
Let us us welcome the director sir with big round of applause. Everyone say Happy Mathematics Day to director sir. Let us invite director sir and principal madam onto the stage to lighting lamp. Mathematics may not teach us how to add love or how to minus hate, but it gives us every reason to hope that every problem has a solution. Without mathematics, there is nothing you can do. Everything around you is mathematics. Life is a math. Life is a math equation. In order to gain most, you have to know how to convert negatives into positives. Mathematics is not about numbers and equations. It is about understanding. Focus on the positives and soon the negatives will disappear. Wherever is number, there is a beauty.
ATO. Ramanujan Ramanujan come for that.